Be cloudy day, going to be a muggy day, going to be breezy, warm out there as well. Not a washout of a day. So,
Okay.
I know we've been talking about rain chances, and yeah, there's a little mist and drizzle out there, but it's not going to be, just a completely rainy day or anything like that.
Yeah.
For most of you, your best storm chances are going to be tomorrow morning, between about 6 to 9 in the morning, as we have a line
So
of
like a little
storms.
bit during rush hour.
Yeah, it could
Okay.
be. And, for the kiddos headed out tomorrow morning, make sure that
Rain
they're safe
jacket.
at the bus stop, getting to and from school as well. Here's kind of a quick big picture look at the next 24 plus hours or so. Most of the day is pretty quiet. Just some morning sprinkles or drizzle. Then it's cloudy, breezy, and warm. There may even be some peaks of sun this afternoon. Then from about 7 to midnight, some scattered thunderstorms are possible, but it's a pretty low severe weather threat with that. Into the overnight hours, it's actually going to be pretty quiet in DFW from around midnight to 6 o'clock in the morning. Thunderstorms are more likely across more likely west and north of DFW. And then, like I just mentioned, between about 6 to 9 in the morning tomorrow, a line of thunderstorms moves through. Some could be severe, but the overall severe threat on the lower side. My main concerns are going to be some strong wind gusts, but as we'll talk about in a second, that tornado threat not completely zero. Outside at the moment, even though we got the clouds and a little bit of mist and drizzle here or there, no delays at Love Field where it's 66 degrees. Outside at the moment, the radar not picking up too terribly much because it's mostly just mist and drizzle. And look at the radar today. I mean, for the most part, it's pretty quiet. I mean, it's just a passing shower, maybe a rumble of thunder during the daytime hours. Here, remember I showed you earlier that kind of 7 to midnight time frame, some scattered thunderstorms. Here they are, moving through DFW and through other portions of North Texas. But that round of rain, not concerned with severe weather with that, but just your coverage is going to increase a little bit this evening and into tonight. Let's take you through the late night hours. Some showers and storms continue across western, northern North Texas. Here comes that line arriving in western North Texas, 2, 3, 4 in the morning, and then it's going to steadily move east as we head into the early morning hours. There's 6 a.m. getting close to the western portions of DFW during that time frame. So what we'll be looking for is across western North Texas at that time. Could have some strong to severe storms, maybe with a wind threat up to quarter-size hail. Tornado threat not completely zero with that threat as well. But here, look at this. It's a line of storms. This is not, those supercells that we can get, especially during the spring, but we can get supercell thunderstorms any time of year. It's a line of thunderstorms. Those are the nasty ones. Those are the ones with the baseball-sized hail, grapefruit-sized hail, and can pose a significant tornado threat. That's not what's happening tomorrow morning. It's a line of storms. But when you get a line of storms like that, sometimes you just can't rule out one of those little brief spin-up tornadoes. And so that threat is there tomorrow morning, but I'm not overly concerned with it. I'm mostly concerned just with some gusty winds and some heavy rain and lightning as these storms move through, 6 to 9 in the morning in DFW, but they'll quickly move off to the east. In fact, there comes the sun by noon, and your Monday afternoon and evening going to be totally fine. Severe weather threat tomorrow morning. As we just talked about, it's a 2 on a scale of 5. My main concerns are going to be those winds, but that tornado threat not completely zero. Not overly concerned with it, but I just need to mention it for you. Cooler by the middle part of the week, 60 for high on Wednesday, 62 Thursday, 67 Friday, warming up as we head into the early part of the following week, which is your Thanksgiving week, of course. It does look to cool down maybe a little bit just in time for Thanksgiving, but there also could be some rain around that time as well. We'll keep an eye on that as we get closer.
All right, Kyle.